The room still holds a silence from the night you walked away. Every word I never said still echoes in this space.
I thought we had forever, like time was on our side. Never saw the moment we were saying goodbye.
Now every step I'm taking leads me back to you, and every quiet memory feels a little too true.
If we never said goodbye, would you still be here? Would the love we built still be crystal clear? If we never said goodbye, would we still believe that forever was a promise we could never leave?
You say you didn't see it, but I felt it all along. Every time you pulled away, I knew something was wrong.
I was holding on to pieces, you were letting fall, trying to keep us breathing while you felt nothing at all.
And I stayed when it was vacant,
I stayed when it was gone,
but you were already leaving
long before you were gone. If we never said goodbye,
Would it change a thing?
would your heart stay?
Oh, I just kept wondering.
If we never said goodbye, would I still feel this?
Or was I just holding on to something we already missed? Maybe I was blinded.
By the fear of letting go,
Maybe I was hiding.
from the truth I didn't know.
Maybe I was hoping
You would finally see
that love isn't something
you could leave halfway.
never say goodbye.
Would we still be us?
Just two broken hearts